special guest came through, you know, a family member. He came. All right, we got this side all buttoned up. As you can see, everything color matching. Is that it actually?
Perfect.
Welcome to the Autolust YouTube channel. And man, it's hot here in Florida. And if you're new here, I'm currently working on my 1200 horsepower capable BMW X6M, also named Sasha. And if you already been to the channel, you see I'm in the summer 2023 dining gear, the best dining gear you got, so you already know what time it is.
A few moments later.
All right, please excuse any fan noise that you might hear, because as you can see, we got a big ass fan sitting right here, and we got a full shop, so you know business never stops here at Boosted Demons. But this what we focusing on right here. This my big baby Sasha, and big shout out to Dinan. You know, like I said, I'm wearing their 2023 summer fashion, you know, just released runway gear, and we finna pop these coils in. You already know what color the coils is. As you can see, I want to match the engine base, so you already know what color the coils are. And we got brand new plugs that I gapped before I even got here. So these plugs are gapped to 0.020. And you know, we also got the dining bag right here, so we definitely finna get these coils put in. Gonna do the driver side first, and then the passenger side, because I have to remove my inner chiller tank in order to get to those coils on that side. So you know, I'm not gonna tell you guys what tools you will need and what tools you might need. As you can see, my X6M is extremely modified, and it looks nothing like a standard X6M. So most of the things you're gonna need to remove, I don't even have anymore. So let's get these coils and plugs installed. Alright, so I got all of the plugs and coils out of this side. You can see they're all out, and we're going to be replacing those with the dining. But before we do that, man, I got a special guest came through, you know, a family member. He came all the way from the UK, and I'm gonna let you know, he gonna let you know exactly what his name is and why he came here to hang out. Okay, come over here a little bit, because the fan, yeah. Tell him your name.
Hi, my name's Chaz. I'm from the UK, London.
He's from the UK, London. He came and hung out at Boosted Beamers. He came here to see Autolust, man. He's been a Autolust family member since day one. He's seen pretty much everything I've ever done to this car, you know, so I'm so happy to see him. He flew all the way in from London. So how you liking it over there so much, Chaz?
Well, I'm loving the States at the moment. It's been a good time. I've been to Atlanta, I've been to Miami. I'm spending a night here, and then I'm heading to LA. So it's having a good time, and I'm just enjoying the time at seeing this beautiful car, and I'm hoping good things come from it.
All right, tell them what you drive.
I'm driving an X5M.
X5M.
Yeah, and I'm hoping to get her built soon.
All right.
But she's a work in progress.
All right.
Here to Boosted Beamers.
Yeah, we gonna bring her right over here to Boosted Beamers.
All the way from the UK, all the way over here.
We've got plans. We're talking, so we're gonna be getting work done.
All right. Hey, I really appreciate it from the heart, man. This is a family member, Autolust family member, man.
Always family.
Yeah, always family. I really appreciate it. This is my brother from the UK, Shaz. I really appreciate him coming through. we got this side all buttoned up. As you can see, everything color matching. It actually looks pretty good. It color matched real good. Still got Shaz here hanging out.
Yeah. We're watching these beautiful engine that work.
Yep, and there she goes. So we got that side done. So the other side, we're gonna have to pull this tank out and get the other side installed. So let's go ahead and get that ready.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it took a little time, but we finally got it done because this tank is hell pulling in and out. This is not an easy tank to pull in and out. But let me see if you can, yeah, as you can see right here, it's a coil right there. So we have the Dinan coils on both sides and new spark plugs. And we finna do the first startup. So let me set this camera up. First startup with the new ignition parts. And let's see how good she purr. No misfires. Everything running on all cylinders exactly how it's supposed to be. No shakes, engine run smooth. Man, these Dinan coils did their job. So now you know what time it is. It's time to take out for a little spin. Right now she the black beauty. All black. Just like if you follow the Instagram, you'll know that I took the wrap off. You know, I said that in the last video with the transmission cooler installed. And for anybody who watched the last video, the transmission cooler is doing its job. You know, it's keeping the transmission cool on the highway. It's catching clean, fresh air, and it's keeping the temps down. So everything is perfect with the aftermarket remote cooled transmission, with it being mounted in the rear with its own fans. But we're gonna take this baby around the corner to see if she's gonna give me a full power run, because we did have an injector problem. I bought brand new injectors, but they haven't been installed yet because the injector job is a job in itself. But let's see if she's gonna give us a full power run. We're gonna take her around the corner. All right, so we're gonna see if she'll let us get a good run out of her. You know, so she drove pretty good around the corner. You know, no real hiccups or anything. So hopefully she let us get a good run. I'm not gonna brake boost it or launch control, you know, because I know that the injectors need to be replaced, especially, you know, if I swap that cylinder 8 injector, I know that the rest of them need to be replaced. You know, and I've been having problems out of cylinder 4. It's been intermittent. Sometimes it free flow and then sometimes it act weird. So we'll see if we can get a full pull here. Let's go. Nope. She's starving for fuel. Yeah, she got rambunctious for a while though. she act up for a while. Yeah, so drivetrain malfunction came back, so I guarantee you it's cylinder 4 injector. Predictions was right. Once again, after scanning the codes, it was cylinder number 4 fuel injector. So we're gonna have to replace those out, but I mean, it is what it is. We already knew that she was having injector problems, so sometime the end of this week or beginning of next week, I'm gonna go ahead and swap the injectors out and get the new injectors put in. And I mean, we just gonna have to go from there, man. Got my boy here from the UK, man. Hey, we hanging out, you know. It was a good little test run though, you know. So hey, all the ignition parts good, you know. So look at Omar, look at how he looking at the car. He like, man, why she running like that? Look, he being nosy. Hey, we don't want to talk. You know what happened? What happened? Probably inject the cylinder 4. 9 times out of 10, that's the only thing that she been having is inject the cylinder 4. So we definitely got to get those injectors done. The master right there gonna swap them out. We gonna swap them out. All right, hold on. So we gonna start. We gonna cut.
I can hear it. I can hear it.
Yeah, yeah. I can. You can feel it too. So let's cut her off, and I'm gonna show you how easy she go back to being tame. Like hear how she running. Sound like an old school Chevy. Turn her off. Open the door. Close it back. Crank her up. Watch how smooth she run. Look at that. This still pops up because that's the last thing that was in the computer, but you can definitely hear the difference of the way the engine running. See, it's no cammed sound like it's a cammed engine no more. So that's definitely the fuel injector. So we got to get them replaced. So, you know, I mean, it is what it is. You know, we got the Dinan coils in. Big shout out to Dinan, you know, for getting those coils here for us, man. I really appreciate it. You know, regardless, this gonna be a world record car. You know, I really appreciate my guy coming out, hanging out, man. You know, but hey, good dude right here, man. That's one of our day ones right here since the first videos. You know, he flew in all the way from England, man, all the way from the UK, man. I really appreciate the love, you know, he hanging out. So, I mean, it is what it is. We finna get those injectors installed so we can get on this track, man. You know, I'm tired of this problem. You know, like I told you guys before, hold on, let me flip this around. The transmission cooler doing its job. You can see it's at 154 now. You know, it's keeping cool, fans kicking on. I mean, hey, what more can you ask for? Like, share, subscribe, and Auto Lust out.